Alright, we're back here with the RLAARLO, this time geared up. I've got a 2S in there and we're still running the stock system, but we're going to be running it on 2S and 3S and just seeing what sort of top speed we can get out of it. So let's see what we can do this time. Yeah, doesn't feel super fast. At least not on 2S anyway. Let's see. Yeah, it's probably, I don't know, about on 2S maybe 70, 80 Ks. We'll do one more. Brakes are really strong on this thing. Pulls up good. Alright, let's have a look. See what we got. Seeing double. I'm seeing double. What's going on? Oh, there you go. See, look, 84. I knew it. It's going to be around that. So, happy with that. Let's go 3S. Okay, here we go. Here we go, winding out. Man,
Why?
that's going pretty good.
3S?
3S that time. Hey, am I out of range as well? There we go. Oh! That was scary at that speed, man. That was going quick.
I got my speed.
What was your speed?
94.
94
miles an hour.
94 miles an hour out of yours. Okay. And stop.
3S.
Read. 125k an hour. So it's a lot faster than what I was expecting.
Yeah, that's moving.
That's moving. So that's not too bad. It's pretty good for a stock system. Doing very well.